अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं शाहिद रमज़ान स्टेनोग्राफ़र और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोफेशनल स्टेनोग्राफ़ी। आज मैं आपको सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करवाने जा रहा हूं। तो डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें और बेल आइकॉन को ऑल पर प्रेस कर दें ताकि मैं जो भी वीडियोज़ अपलोड करूँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। रेडी, 3, 2, 1 start. Learned counsel for the appellants contends that the learned senior civil judge has erred in fact and law in fixing the compensation at the rate of rupees 10,000 per marla, which is neither reasonable nor fair, full stop. According to the learned counsel, the evidence on record supported only the rate of compensation which was fixed by the collector in the award, and there was no material in support of the findings recorded by the learned senior civil judge, full stop. It is submitted that even the respondents had claimed compensation at the rate of rupees 6,000 per marla, the grant of the same higher than that was not warranted, full stop. It is further contended that the learned senior civil judge has not kept in view the location and other attending circumstances in enhancing the rate of compensation, full stop, new para. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the respondents contends that the land had been purchased by the respondents in small pieces for the construction of houses situated in residential colony being developed for that purpose, full stop. His case is that it is within the limits of Lahore metropolitan, adjacent to developed modern colonies such as Sabzazar housing scheme, Aman town Peko scheme, and in view of its location there was a continuous trend of appreciation in its value when it was acquired, full stop. It is further contended that mutations and sale deeds would not reflect the correct value of the land as generally in order to save heavy expenses, duties and fees, the trend is to disclose the price on lower side, full stop. It is submitted that even Tehsildar and Board of Revenue had approved the rate at rupees 6,000 per marla, full stop. He supports the findings recorded and conclusion drawn by the learned senior civil judge that the determination of compensation made by the collector in the award was not realistic or fair, full stop. The learned senior civil judge was thus justified in the facts and circumstances to fix the compensation at the rate of rupees 10,000 per marla, full stop. Relies on collector, land acquisition, Nashera and others versus Abdul Rashid and others 1996 CLC 1193 and Province of Punjab and others versus Muhammad Rashid and others 1997 MLD 2568 in support of his contentions, full stop, new para. It has come on record and cannot be disputed even that the land is situated where a housing society, namely Shaheen Town Cooperative Housing Society, had been founded for residential purposes, full stop. The owners had been opposing the acquisition of this land for Wapda that the same was to be utilized for their residential houses and had even filed a suit, full stop. This aspect had even been noted by the collector in his award which shows that the owners were not willing for the acquisition of this land and they were deprived of the same by acquiring the same compulsorily, full stop. It is in this context that it was to be determined by the referee judge as to whether the full stop.